Hello and welcome to LearnWire. I've got a really cool software and membership site to tell you about today. We are on Appsumo, and while this has just hit Appsumo, there's no telling how long it will be on here for a lifetime deal. Sometimes they're only on here for a week, and sometimes they're on here for 8 weeks. So it just depends on how many sales they get and how much they want to deeply discount their product and get a certain amount of sales. And so you can see right here, they have plans starting at $149 in there. That is actually in comparison with $1,148 if you were to purchase the regular pricing on the site. So what is this? This is called Yay Images. It's a stunning library of over 12 million licensed stock assets with unlimited lifetime downloads. So you come through here, and this is an alternative to Envato, Elements, and Storyblocks. I'm also saying it's another alternative to Pixabay or Pexels, which are really popular royalty-free image sharing sites. And what I'm seeing after logging in here is that these are all unique. I don't know where they're getting all their stuff, but this is unique images, and they're not getting, I don't know how you get 12 million unique images, and that's pretty impressive to be able to pull that off. It includes vectors and HD videos and all kinds of good stuff and images, but it's not images pulled from Pixabay or Pexels. So that's what makes it really impressive. You can see how we're going to jump into the software. I'm going to show you it, but I wanted to show you what the offer is. So the plans and feature, you get lifetime access to Yay Images, a solo plan. You need to redeem your code after before 60 days is up, and you can stack multiple codes so you can get pretty much however much content you want. And you do get copyright protection up to $25,000 actually, high resolution images, lifetime download history, and access to over $450,000 in partner perks. So you have a single deal at $149, and that's going to include 10 downloads per day. Daily credits do not roll over, but you're going to get 300 downloads a month, and you'll never have to pay again, just for a one-time fee of $149. They have 1.2 million vectors, graphics. They have 11 million plus images and over 200,000 HD videos. A lot of them are in 4K. You can upgrade your plan to 20 downloads a day and 30 downloads a day. You really wouldn't need more than 10, 20, or 30 anyways, and so that's not going to be a major problem. I've never downloaded more than 10 or 15 images from Pixabay or Pexels in one day anyways, so you really don't need much more than that if you're a website designer or something like that. That's where these images are going to come in because they're high quality. So we're going to go over here into Yay Images, and once you're in, it's going to look a lot like some of the other sites like the Pexels or Pixabay. You can come over here. Now you would have to pay monthly for this unlimited pricing right here at $12 a month, and that starts stacking up, right? And so you can get the one-time plan and then just never have to pay again. So you can see, you can go through different collections. They have all kinds of stuff here. So if I went right here and you can either drop down the filter and go to images or vectors or editorials or footage. So if we wanted to go and just go into images right here, and we wanted to type in marketing and push enter, then you're going to get a bunch of different options right here with marketing. And you can just see all these different awesome graphics that you're going to get, some with color, some without, different coloring options. There's over 4,000 images or results showing for just the keyword marketing. You can go over to filters over here, and that's what makes this really neat, is that you can actually filter by photos. So then now marketing photos are going to show up depending on what you're looking for. Just really, really good graphics. I like the filtering options over here because now we can go and look at vectors if we need graphics or icons for our website or for our infographics or videos that we're creating, and it just sorts it really, really nicely. And there's a lot to choose from, over 1,000 right there. And then editorials right here, and you're going to get different stuff right here as well. And just looking through there, and then you can come through and look at videos as well. So under videos, then you have all these different videos that you can download that have to do with marketing as well. So you can see it's like a Shutterstock, or it's premium of the other membership sites, what you're getting over here with all these really cool unique videos, HD videos that you're going to get right here. So you can actually search by keywords or exclude keywords. Resolution, you can look for just 4K or HD. People, so if you want people to be in the image, then you can actually click however many people you need in, and then you can come up over here and we're going to go back up to all images. So all images, and we want 2 people. So look, 2 people, 2 people. There's 2 people, so it really makes it great. There's 2 people right there. So it makes it great for if you're needing to look for just if you want marketing images that don't have people in it, then here you go. Here's images. If you need just 1 person, then here are images with just 1 person. Really cool. You can look for specific with just color. And if you needed to pick a color, so let's say you need blue, then it's going to go out there and find marketing images that have to do with a blue color. So I really like the filtering options. That's what makes this stand out above the crowd, is the ability to how they index all this. It makes it really easy. And then you can also filter by landscape, square, portrait, and panorama. And then there's one more thing that you can do as well, is you can actually, if you need text, like say in the center, so then you could actually come through here and only leave the center open, and then push submit. It's going to pull, like right here, it's going to pull options of stuff that's actually in the center. But if you do the reverse of that, right, and take everything off, then it should leave the center open for us to where we could type stuff in the middle. See, you can actually, like, this is a perfect example. Like right here, you can put text right there. So if you're looking for a place that you can specifically put your text right here, then you could put your text around in that border right there. So it's just a really, really cool site. You can get a one-time payment for this. I think it's pretty good. You can sign up directly at the site and do monthly memberships, or you can just go to Appsumo and get the lifetime deal and never have to pay again at starting at $149, and you can do up to 10 downloads a day for the life, so you'll never have to pay again. If you think you need a little bit more than that, then go ahead and go to the double option. And if you're like a web designer and you really think you're going to use more than 20 a day, up to 30 a day, then you might want to get the 447 and never have to purchase again. And it's millions and millions, over 11 million images to choose from. So hope you enjoyed this quick review of Yay Images. It's new to the market, and it just hit Appsumo with the lifetime deal. You can see there's 0 reviews. I wanted to get this out to you right away so you can see if this is something that you want in your business. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on all my software tutorials and all the lifetime deal discounts that you're going to get from places like Appsumo. And that's what I'm doing on this channel, is bringing these offers to you. I'll see you in the next video.